First thing you need to do is to open your internet browser and in the search bar type BlueStacks for PC. Click on this first link. Now click on this download option, and once you click on download, the setup file will start to download. But I have already downloaded the file, so I'll skip this part. Once the setup file is downloaded, all you have to do is to open BlueStacks and then click on this install now option. Now the downloading has started. This will take some time depending upon your internet connection, so wait for a little bit. Okay guys, welcome back, and as you can see that BlueStacks is now downloaded and installed on your PC. So the next thing you need to do is to open Play Store. Click on the sign in option. Now sign in to your Gmail account. Enter your email address. Then enter your Gmail account password. Once you have signed into the Play Store, download InShot. And once InShot is downloaded and installed, you can simply open it and you can use it on your PC.